Ayo, boom! Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathandana Na. We are in the studio, my brother. As you all know, we always do our follow-ups. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kulelo thando lelo after mfethu ukuthi labantu laba bahlukana yini, or what happened after that they fixed their things, because people always say that King Ginger is demolition relationships, but I don't do that. I always make sure that abantu ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi izinto zabo right yini, izinto zabo relevant. As you remember, we went to Alexandria whereby we met beautiful couples only to find out ukuthi umntwana uzidliwelwa uBolt driver. So iqiniso ngoqini
kumele uyikhiphe iqiniso ke ukuthi manje kwenzakalani phithini wena ngigayi because manje
ukuthi mngani ngigamele ngitshele ini futhi
ngani wakho kulanda njalo mfethu okuprotectayo othweni uthemba yena
unemoto nje unemoto musi
ngoba ngenamoto
kanjalo kodwa yena unemoto yakhona ukungisa la ngifuna khona
uqiniso. And we want to know ukuthi kwenzakalani. After that we had our brother ufanele, and we saw ukuthi kwi relationship ebekuyona he was being controlled because umuntu wakhe bemtshela nje 99, you don't have a car, you don't have nothing, you are this, you are that. My name is King Ginger, cream tela cream, and welcome to Niyathandana Na. And do not forget to subscribe, my brother, because when I come back after the break I will make sure that I bring you our first guest ufanele mfethu. And we are back from the break. This is your number one show, Niyathandana Na. My name is King Ginger. As I always tell you guys, do not forget to subscribe on CMTV SA. And thank you so much for a 50K. Simnandi, my friends, and keep on subscribing. Thank you so much. My name is King Ginger. Do not forget to follow me and to subscribe also on my channel, King Ginger SA, my friends. We are back on Niyathandana Na, and we are bringing in ufanele. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Let's bring in Fanele, guys. Brother man, ever sit? What? How's it going, man?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm good, my brother. It's been a while. So I remember Masiza, Alex, on what happened between wena nomuntu wakho. So we just want to know ukuthi after the show masiqeda ukuvaya kuye kwenzakalani between wena nomamzala.
Into yenzakele between mina naye like bekastabone kakhulu obviously ngivele ngadecide ukuthi manje ngimyeke ngimnikeze space sakhe. So nga find out ukuthi vele like move on. Tshela abangani bakhe, so ngathi hayi thina move on.
So bekakhuluma vele manje.
Yeah.
Yes. So my brother, tell me wena ma found out ukuthi yena move on, when ubungaka moving on ubusamlindile yini ukuthi mhlambe nilungise izinto and continue with that relationship, because if we remember the relationship was too toxic, my brother. Ubeka the way bekhuluma nawe ngakhona mfethu, but ke ngicela ukuzwa ukuthi uthini.
Yeah, mina vele bengimlindile ukuthi manje abuye.
Yeah.
Or mina ngiye kuye, mara mangiya kuye bekangiignora abahashi kimi, so ngadecide ukuthi hayi ithi ngiyeke kanjalo. Bengimlindile mara still akazibonanga ama mistake wakhe. So yeah.
So my brother, in other words, you truly loved this woman and you wanted this relationship to work.
Yeah, ngiyamthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke and ngiyafuna ukuthi namanje singafix izinto mina naye. But then ngibona ngathi yena like akasekho la kimi. Sekaphumile kimi because manje uconfused akazazi ukuthi ufuna.
She is confused because nawe njengobusho ukuthi even ekasi ubatshelile bonke ukuthi yena seka move on and yena sekaphethe elinye gorilla.
And like ngisho ukuthi nalowo muntu lo yamphethe angeke abe nothando leli mina bengimnika lona.
Oh man.
And uzobhayiziseka rough, so into engifunayo ukuthi mina naye silungise izinto.
Manje tshela mina le trans lena le Corolla lawa mfethu lama FX lawa sawabona last the guy we Bolt usaphithizela vele kasi. Ngicela ukuyibuzela cause ngiyayibona ukuthi yona ayikho wow. But lo mjida umnike attention mfethu ubani uqiniso. Yeah, uqiniso. Why yena umhlala umphendula makathi hi hey ini ngani?
Like sinokhuluma ngithi like mo umuntu like kumele ukuthi ube wine njengakutshela ukuthi ngimngani wakho.
Nangu umuntu wakho.
Ifoni yami akuna like ama message angathi manje ngamkwatisa yena mara mina ngisafika ku Facebook yakhe still I'm down mara I'm not that down mara I'm down ukuthi why anika lo muntu lo
ene why yena athola boma good morning
usaphithizela but akamuva on ngaye.
Seriously?
Yes, akamuva on ngaye.
Naye bamshaye phansi.
Umuve on ngomunye umuntu. Mina bengexpect ukuthi maybe ngizobona yena lo muntu lo besimlwela. But angibonanga yena sekamuve on ngomunye umuntu.
Yes. Yes.
Inhliziyo yami ebhlungu.
Ngeke mfethu inhliziyo yakho ingabe ibhlungu bhuti wami, and mfethu I understand that mfethu like you truly love this woman and you really wanted this to work. And in fact, to be honest with you, also on my side, in fact, I really wanted everything to work, but I feel like my brother, I was there to help, because when bunge kucavu ukuthi khona bonke labantu labe bebekhona on the phone, and bunge wazi ukuthi she's doing other things behind your back. Uyayibona lo?
Mara mina yakhe ngiyakubonga ngenhliziyo yami yonke because bengizohlezi ngazi niksi because bekumu usilemi lo muntu lo uhlakaniphile
too much
uhlakaniphile and uyakhona ukungihandlela. You understand? So kube bongekho kube like lento le esase the same yabo. And bese kuzoba ama fight uthola ukuthi ngiyithola right handed, ngiyithola straight, kuyoba ama fight uthola ukuthi siyalimazana yabo. So ngiyakubonga mina ngenhliziyo yami yonke and I appreciate empilweni yami.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah, finally, the brother finally just spoke there, and I'm happy that King Ginger uyile ensimini yase Eden ukuthi ayolima ukhula so that everything can go. Okay, guys, do not forget, this is your #1 show, Niyathandana Na. We are going to the break, and when we come back, we'll make sure that we're bringing our second guest, Ayoba. 5, 6.
No, it's too much. It's too much.
Manje urequesta lang namus.
Like into ngizoyibuza no why wena tholakala ugazi uye umrequestayo kuphela and kunama Uber abhaya ama Uber yekasi.
Babe kantole yalo yena akathona ukumitha.
No, angithandi le style leso.
Okay, excuse again. Singali ke.
Okay, wena noqiniso nenzani ke? Okay.
No, it's just friends. Like uyangilanda. Yeah.
Angithi no ingqondo seyabuya manje because manje una last time ngimtshela ukuthi ngiyakurequestela uyakuphi uya ku anti wakhe sona so athini no ngizoze requestela mina self. So angazi ukuthi manje why angafuni ukugibela amanye abantu.
Why lokhu qhamuka uqiniso ethi FX yodwa?
But uyengithemayo. Like uyengithemayo. Angangisa la ngifuna khona.
Nabo ke bayathembana mfethu. Sayibona lento yakho brother.
Ngiyayibona.
Yayibona lento yakho brother.
Yeah.
No, babe.
And we are back, the show that never disappoints. As you heard, guys, umlomo ongathetsimanga ufanele said it ukuthi yena he's still glued and he's still in love with Victoria. I call her Victoria Falls. Usasemathandweni no Victoria, but only to find out ukuthi Victoria yena uqhubekile ngempilo yakhe. But right now though, we want to find out from Victoria yena ukuthi kwenzakaleni. But before we call Victoria, I really want you guys to do not forget to subscribe on CMTVSA and make sure that you ring that bell because we are bringing you fire. All right, we are bringing in Victoria, my darling. Hello.
Hi.
Unjani. We thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much. Oh my word, you're looking beautiful as
Thank
always.
you.
So I just want to know nje ukuthi after the show kathi sifikile Alex because ubungasabambeki and everything and you were so angry with everything ukuthi kwenzakaleni ke after that between wena no brothers nina banaso isikhathi sokuthi nikhulume and fix things and maybe get back together.
Like ngingazama ukukhuluma naye so yena akafunanga. So mina I don't pay where benefit Veli because anye ngizengijimisane naye. Yabona? So mina bengitry ukukhuluma noguy uyesihlanyisa. Apparently I heard that uno girlfriend omunye so anye ngizengijimisane nomunye umuntu.
How?
So yena
now you know girlfriend.
Una girlfriend, that's all I know. So anye ngizengijimise ngoba sika nomunye umuntu. Usibangathi mina nginomona or something. I just moved on mina ngempilo yami. I don't care ukuthi wenzani futhi.
How? But okay, Victoria. But angikutholi manje. So nawe uyacava ukuthi yena vele usivayela nomuntu wakhe naye usenomuntu sekamove on vele.
Ngiyazi vele ngoba ngihlezi ngimgadile. Imisese TV yakhe. Uyazi.
How? Victoria. Okay, imake mfethu. How? So uhlala umgadile ne? Wena sisiwami kanti usamthanda yini?
Iqinisweni ngisamthanda kodwa mina ngine pride too much angize ngikwazi kumconfront ukuthi mina ngisamthanda. Anga move on kodwa yena ayazi ukuthi yena icase empilweni yakhe. Anyikaza move on, anyikaza ithola happiness empilweni yakhe till abuya like him azoxolisa. And then naye uyi player naye mus where how come yena move on so smooth? Like all of the sudden let's move on. No, this can't be happening.
Wena mara uyiqalile le ndaba you started uwengithi ubuchita and yena bekanga.
Okay, mina bengizama ukuthi ngiconfess kuye and then yena wazama walk away. So maka walk away it's fine then because ngiyengize ngimforce mina ukuthi ahambe naye.
But siswama ngithi nawe ubuthandana nomunye umuntu but uthandana naye so yena bekumele enze njani? Akulinde and
okay, angithi mina bengizohlukana nomuntu wami. Bengizohlukana ngize kuwe.
But bekumuntu wakho so nalomunye bekumuntu wakho kanti.
Hey, abantu bami kahle.
So usathandana nale outside ne driver.
Hey, angisamthandi lo nomunye sengimove on.
Okay, Victoria, ngicela sibalance izinto ke because mina manje understand wo obuchita mara kumele kuze futhi ufanele kuwe azocela uqolo.
Okay, mina I tried all my level best ukuthi ngihambe kuguy ngixolisa. Kodwa yena uguy yena ungathi yena bekangafuni nix already beka move on. So there's nothing I can do mina.
Manje wena ufuna ukuthi azo apologize ukuthi wena awufunanga ukuthi ule wena.
Okay, mina ngicela butini. Mina I learned from my mistakes. Mina bengifuna ukuxolisa ukuthi kube ne peace between us. And then uguy yena akafuni. So anye ngize ngimforce ukuthi hayibo guy kwenzakalani manje? If umuntu akakufuna ngiziforce futhi.
Okay, manje siswami. Mina into engiyaziyo or information engireceive ukuthi wena move on first and uguy bekakulindile.
Why yena angazanga ke? Sokhulume kahle indaba. Sixoxe nje indaba. Njengabantu abadala bamechole.
Several times mara wena ubehavior
uhluleke kudala uyibona uma kuyicase nje uvela ucabange slow because uslow lo muntu ngoba kebe khale relukisitse tabaye.
Okay. Ngiyakuzwa siswami. Okay guys, it's fine. All right guys, this is Niyathandana Na. Niyathandana Na. I'm sorry about that. Just that it's getting bananas. Okay, right now guys, I'm going to introduce Ufanele so that Nazo was what's aspendulele because I don't understand. Fanele is telling me that na ulokuzana Victoria, she's the one who moved on first, and then on the other side to Victoria, she's telling me a different story. It's finally who moved on first.
Like,
I'll be honest when. Kale ngamthola ku Facebook lo muntu lo. Ukhuluma naye.
Ushuthi nikhuluma naye ku Facebook kuphela. Niyayifihla into zenu.
Ngapha like uyamrequesta yena kuphela every time. Why?
That's right. Ima siswami uqonda ukuthini ukuthi wenze njani shuthe wena vele okay khuluma iqiniso ke ukuthi wena no Q mhlambe kwenzakalani ke makuthi khona into eyenzakalayo nenzani wena neqiniso yini ngoba yini nemoto
just friends unemoto ngithi
oh so okay disrespect
unemoto
ubani usho kanjalo
ngiyabuza
ngoba no phela nanku phela wena uchuza yena
ngoba mina nginemoto
siswami okay we with Fanele right now. Let's go to Fanele mfethu. Nginenkinga lana mfethu. Naku kuthiwa wena ngathi uwe mfethu owamove on iqala mfethu uthini what's your take on that?
Mina lento ekhulumayo ngiyazi because ngimlandile mina ne ngathi ngifuna ukufixa izinto naye ngiyazi ukuthi uyo wrong but then asihlale phansi sifixe izinto naye exa uyed because bekasenomuntu mina lo muntu lo bengispend isikhathi naye like umntwana sejaradini lami ukuthi manje siyaspend isikhathi intombazane elingana nayo you understand so yena uyithathe ngeindlela ukuthi manje
so wena so kunomuntu vele ejaltini obubhizi naye yena wacabanga ukuthi umuve on
bengekho busy naye lo muntu lo lentombazane
siswami so wena kudala ubone ukuthi khona intombazane ephithizayo vele ejaltini
dala ngibone indaba yabo ukuthi bayafletha bayavibe amingekho angiseka si replace
angeke ngiyenze lento leyo
angisafuni nikuhlanganise nawe kodwa uyazi ukuthi wena ucase case empilweni yakho ayinokuzulunge like imfundo.
Mara masiya kuqiniso ne. Mase sizokhuluma iqiniso.
Yeah.
Ngimnaye. Ubani wrong?
Sisoma ngithi waba wrong iqala manje mara yena athi kumele kuxolise why wena uthi kumele kuxolise ufanele kodwa kube kuwe sister waba wrong.
Yes, ugayine angisafuni ngisehlanganise nogay because mina ungidriver crazy because mina uyazi ukuthi cishe kwenzakala ezinye izinto that day, so please if akafuni ukuba nami akafuni ayingize ngimforce and futhi ayingisabuyela kuye mara yena ayazi ukuthi ayingasayithola injabulo happiness ngeke izicalekiso nje empilweni yakhe.
Hawu kanjani umqalekisa futhi kodwa futhi awusamfuni kodwa futhi okay manje mengathi uyakuthanda wena ungathini?
Ngithanda ngisakufuna.
Guys
Mara mina like lo muntu lo ngiyamthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke ne and ngeke ngikhona ukumove on or ngimiyeke amove on just like that yabo. So please ngicela at least mina nawe silungise izinto sihlale phansi sikhulume. Umdala momngaka kini bayangazi ngithi bayakwazi and bakuthembile so and angibatshelanga next ngale ndaba yakho. You understand? So ngicela ucabanga ukuthi ufunani wena because labantu laba remember lo muntu lo awazi nokuthi unomuntu na ukuthathe ujola nami uthandana nami, you understand?
True.
So you think wena uzokuthatha kanjani uzokuthatha njengomuntu wakhe straight or kanjani ngoba uzodlala ngawe ujwayele lento leyo uyenza kwabantu abaningi. Uyabeka yazi ukuthi mina nawe sejola bongiposter but ukushele sijola wamcoma sijola so angeke akuthathe njengelutho.
Mina I rather stay single, shame. I prefer stay single till ngimthola umaqondweni wami. Because when asengikhathele kuwe ngiyitori zakho. Ngitshela ukuthi bohlala nentombazana nyani. Ngijwayeza ngabantwana abancane mina kusho. Yangijwayeza nje.
No
so
like
that's why besilwile vele.
Hayi mina like asikhuluma iqiniso mfethu ngiyakuncanya ne ngenhliziyo yami yonke ngiyakuthanda. Ngicela sihlale phansi. That's why ngikulethe la. Ngifuna ukuthi sihlale phansi. Silungise izinto, solve izinto between mina nawe because uchoose indlela wrong. Uchoose indlela wrong. And ngisho ngalento leyo because ayeke umfana uzokuthanda.
uchoose indlela wrong. Talk.
Mina indlela engichoosile I'm mature enough. Ne I'm a grown up. So akekho umuntu ozongitshela ukuthi ngenzeni isikhathini. Ukuthi ngenzani isikhathini ayifuni wena. If udlala ngami udlala ngami. So ayifuni wena le.
But Victoria, you're missing the point here. Uyazehlisa ufanele. Ufanele ufuna nilungise le way. Wena still ufuna kuba single.
Yeah, ngifuna ukuba single.
You know guys, makuthiwa ungayithatha idonki uyise emanzini ukuthi iyophuza. But imingawafuna amanzi asoze waphuza. My brother, me I don't wanna lie, I wanna salute you. I know you're trying to do on your level best ukuthi kulunge mfethu yonke into right, and I want to say this, my man, you have a hottie here. She's very beautiful mfethu and she's worth fighting for, you understand, but only to find out ukuthi hayi yena mfethu akekho kulo line uzihambela ngoline wakhe wama single ladies. She's saying she wants to be single. Siswam, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Wena sisoma ayikho ke lento ke. Akenzi nix.
Don't fuck with me. I'm gonna fuck you up now. I'm gonna fuck you up in front of the cameras. I'm gonna fuck you up now. No.
Except guys mina ngiyahamba lana mfethu ayikho leshandise mfethu. Siswami waye kanti wenza kanje mfethu. Umchito grand awuthe sharp lena mfethu.
Awuthe sharp lo.
Wena ustabona.
Ngistabona. I just need a break. I just need my own space.
Hawu mfethu. Ish. Fanele. Uyamuzwa mfethu.
Ngiyamuzwa ukuthi athini. Mara ngiphathi kahle mina lento ayikhulumayo because uchoose indlela wrong and I know ukuthi angeke abe single. Uchoose indlela wrong.
Yes mina yangihlekisa bhuti. Ngihamba uyozihenga ke just commit suicide ngoba wena ufuna mina pheka just commit suicide once because mina angikufuni khake gobatli anokulabi yini ufuna ukuthi ngikhuluma ngawo ngama language ke ungizwisise nje ukuthi ngifuna ukuthini angikufuni.
Hey guys akuyona angisakufuni lena but wena siswami but now mfethu udlala ngophula inhliziyo zabantu mfethu ayifanele mfethu angazi mina mfethu ngitsini mfethu uyabona mfethu sisigqometsheni lana mfethu nalo muntu ngithi ngifuna ukuthi nizama ukulungisa izinto but awulabi.
Hayi ngiyabonga vele mina ayikho into ngizoyenza
Hawula.
but as long as ngitholile ukuthi bekayenzani because at the end bekazogcina ngigulisa hamba yothatha izinto zakhe azilethe kimi well mina ngihleli kahle
Singilate.
you understand so I'm glad ngiyakubonga wena ukuthi manje like ungenze ngayazi relationship status sami ukuthi kwenzakalani ku relationship yami ngiyakubonga ngenhliziyo yami yonke bengeke ngiyazi ukuthi umuntu okanje yabo because no sekayayikhuluma
Mara nesiswami kanti wayebungamtsheli earlier ke ufanele ukuthi vela usamulabi kunokuthi umtrack all along because ubekwenzela everything mfethu othandweni and you even said it on the show kanti wena manje mfethu abantu mabenza ama mistake kanti awucoli ini mntakama and you are the one who made the mistake and this guys ufuna ukuforgive mara wena uforgiveki why mara why
Okay, mina into engayisho ukuthi ngiyaxolisa ngayo yonke into enyenzeke kuwe. Kodwa ukuthi sibuyela nikhohlwa. Singayenza iphisi singakhuluma we can be friends but lezo mjolo dating ay khohlwa but cause mina nawe nje ay
ngicela mama ikhamba hey bafethu hayi okay fine Victoria ngiyakuzwa guys you know what angazi ukuthi ngiqhubeka ngithini mase kukanjena bafethu we all had ukuthi khamba kanjani but I just wish for ufanele all the best and I wish you also Victoria all the best kwi single future yakho le oembakha kuyo it hurts man it hurts ukuthi kube something kanjena mfethu that will happen to a guy but ke ufanele nayo izwele and uVictoria already made up her mind guys this is your #1 show Niyathandana Na and it's your boy King Ginger Cream Tala Cream Niyathandana Na do not forget to subscribe and ring that bell do not also forget to follow me nice at King Ginger _SA on Instagram we out